I'm doing this set on blow dried and stretched out hair. So I just washed my hair and conditioned it, and I also already blow dried and stretched it out, so I'm all set to get started. Today I'm going to be using two products, and the first product is this Lotta Body foaming mousse, and product number 2 is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is section of my hair, and I'm gonna be starting in the back first. So let me do it real quick. And I actually decided to do this set on blow dried hair to cut down on the drying time, because in my first attempt I did it on wet hair and it took so long to dry. So I'm gonna be doing it different. Let me clip this part up as well actually. All right, yeah, I'm so excited. I've been watching so many tutorials, and in my first attempt I struggled so bad, but I have a feeling that this is gonna be way better, so I'm excited. Okay, so this is the section that I'm gonna be working on first, and I'm gonna split this up in a smaller part actually, in two. I'm taking a little bit of the smoothie first, like this much, just a little bit, and I'm applying this all throughout the section. I have two pumps. Let me make sure it's detangled with my Denman brush. I'm taking my first flexi rod now, and I'm gonna start at the top and just wrap it around, so like this, and then twisting and wrapping it. So I'm taking a little bit more product to make sure the ends are smooth on the rod. And then I make a little hook at the top and on the bottom. Right here. I'm gonna move on to the next. I just finished putting the flexi rods on my whole hair, and now it's time to wait for these to dry. And I don't know how long this is gonna take, because these things have to be 150% dry before taking them out, so pretty sure it's gonna take a while. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill and wait for these to dry. I'm actually gonna put on my blow drying cap to speed up the process a little bit, and when my hair is fully dry, I'll be back. So I will see you guys when it's time to take these out. Just say the things that you said to me yesterday. I'm back. It's almost been 3 hours since I started drying my hair, and I just sat on the couch with a blow dryer in my hand, so my arms are killing me right now. But yeah, I'm excited to take these out. Hopefully they are fully dry. I'm gonna take one out in the back first just to see if it's dry, so I'm gonna be careful while doing this. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Okay, it feels dry, so I think I'm ready to take them all out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Move on to the next one. Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. This is so cool. Let me calm down before I ruin the whole thing. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is so cute. But the bigger ones, like right here and this one, feel a little bit damp, so I'm gonna be taking my blow dryer with the diffuser on. I made sure my hair is completely dry, the roots as well, so now it's time to separate these curls, and I am so excited. I can't wait. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm taking my argan oil and I'm gonna be coating my hands to make sure I don't create too much unnecessary frizz already. So I'm just coating the curls. Okay, and I'm gonna be starting in the back again with this curl first, and I'm gonna be super careful. Oh my gosh, no, I'm so excited. And now I'm gonna do the rest of the curls as well. And yo, just watch me separate these curls.
You are now listening to The Real, and that would be Clips, the Neptunes, and the new label. Top down, chrome spinning, you see the balls grinning. I'm loving these damn women. I let
had to get in. She tried to let the rest fit in. I'm like, no, love, that's forbidden. I ain't for squishing. That's a problem to the will well. Trust, I know them 20s real well. Now we coasting. Me two chicks and toasting. I turn up the volume, watch the bass get them open. Soft spoken with a wild side. I love them in the ride. They love it in the ride. We was moving bodies before we hit the party. Before the DJ started cutting, I was already fucking. Cinderella, you girls from nothing to something. Hit the parking lot, hear the club system thumping. Lose the face. You twos was great, but it's to the VIP. I got new move to make.
When the last time you heard it like this? Smoke some, drink some, get ripped. And make the girls in the party just strip. Move your ass, girl. Only if you know you live. From the club to the park and ride. How many chicks can you fit in that ride? Put 'em up, homie.
Hey, it's just a day in the life. Club nights, one of the reasons I love life. Chicks be.
This is what we are looking like right now. I just separated all of the curls. I am in love. This is so cute, but I'm not gonna stop here. I'm actually gonna stretch out my curls a little bit because I don't like the shrunken look too much. So I'm gonna stretch it a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my god.
But I'm only here to party, y'all. Carry every weekend like it's Mardi Gras.
When the last time you heard it like this? Smoke some, drink some, get ripped. And make the girls in the party just strip. Move your ass, girl. Only if you know you live. From the club to the park and ride. How many chicks can you fit in that ride? Put 'em up, homie. Yo, you're now listening to the sounds that are vibrating your speakers. Please do not be alarmed.
So this is way better in my opinion. And now I'm taking my pick to create some volume. Because who doesn't like some volume in their hair? I definitely do.
She lopers, pin her ass to the sofa and attack the chocha. S&M chick, ass pusher the joker. But I thought about how rich I am and said no such chick was crazy. It was crazy space. What did it, the whip appeal or my baby face? The night's still young and I'm already leaning. Cruise through the light on them juice tools gleaming. The liquor in me and I don't need a reason. Obnoxious with the women, hot tucked in the linen. I pull up, let her get in. She know from the beginning. She added to the list of them chicks that I done been in. Her head spinning and my head spinning. Mine from juice and gin.
I'm just taking some gel and I'm gonna be smoothing this part out. Not really doing some dramatic baby hairs. I just want to make sure it's smooth. Okay. Nah, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm actually obsessed once again. And my hair feels so soft. I like the combination of those two products that I've used because my hair is very soft, but I still feel the soft hold of the mousse. So perfect. Let me show you guys what we are working with. So this is basically the end of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed filming this video today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, comment something down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.